So basically what I did is wrapped this dollar store wreath, wire wreath with nautical rope. I've got 4 packs from dollar store in this. And all I'm doing is just going over, under, over, and under, and then just kind of push it all together. We've got 4 and the wreath is going to go right here, so that's going to cover this part. So I'm going to put this over here. I mean, the bow is going to go there. Then I'm going to grab this. We'll go to the overhead camera, and I'm going to take some of my silver Bowdabra bow wire. Looks like I'm running out. I'm going to have to get a new roll and put that to the side. Then I'm going to fold it in half, and I want to make sure that it's long enough that I can tie it around my wreath. And then what I'm going to do is take my florals, or my leaves, and we're just going to lay those down into the Bowdabra. Eucalyptus leaves are really pretty. Lay those down. I'm going to take these and lay these down in here. And the nice thing about using the Bowdabra for this is you don't need to worry about any kind of hot glue or using a glue gun, because with the wire, it's just going to hold everything together. That's what's great about the Bowdabra bow wire. Then we're just going to lay this down in here, and then take this and just fold and twist. So I'm just folding and twisting. Just make sure my loops are the same on both sides, and they are. And we're going to fold and twist and fold, and I'm just following this, and then now I have a tail, and we've already dovetailed the end of this. So now we're going to make another one just like this, or a twist, and we're just going to fold and twist. And I love this crushed velvet. It's my new favorite ribbon. I've been using this in so many projects. And fold, and then the tail will hang down. And then I have my red, and we're going to do the same style. So fold and twist, fold. And this, I love this ribbon because it looks like it looks really glittery, but it's not. So it doesn't shed glitter all over everything, which is a really nice trait for a ribbon that looks so glittery. And if you want to know what we're using and how much of each ribbon and where to buy the ribbon, then definitely look in our description section below the video, and we list everything that we're using in this video. So now I'm just going to lay this down in here. Take my wand, give everything a good scrunch. Bring this up here, pull it through, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends. Bring it around to the back. And tie a knot. Double knot it, and now I'm going to shape my bow. So bring these around here, and my flower in the center. Bring this here, and again, how we always shape is we used a wired ribbon, makes it easier to shape. So we just have the wired ribbon, and you just put your fingers in the loops and shape out your loops. And bring this here, and I want to bring my velvet ribbon so you can see it up here. Bring the red ribbon down, my tails down. Then I'm going to take my bow, and I'm going to tie this onto my wreath. Oops. There we go. and we're just going to tie it really tight. And to get it even tighter, I'm just going to twist it, which I do all the time because the wire will keep it tight. And then I'll just tie this on here, make a little ribbon bow or a loop bow. And you have this beautiful, let's go to the overhead, the front camera, you have this absolutely beautiful nautical patriotic wreath. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.